In this video, I'm going to teach you how to disable MacBook Air keyboard. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you would like to disable the keyboard on your MacBook Air temporarily with a single click, then follow the instructions in this video. You will need to download an additional tool, but like I said before, it is lightweight and all it takes is a single click to have it disabled. So whenever you want to enable it back on or disable, you will be able to do this. The tool is going to be available on this website, fullivora.ai. So go to fullivora.ai using a web browser or look through this page on Google. Now on apps, you will find keyboard clean tool. So click on apps and then keyboard clean tool. You can also just look for this on Google. This is a super simple little tool which blocks all keyboard and touch bar input. So all that you have to do is choose the option to download it here. The reason why it's not listed on the Mac App Store is because Apple labeled it as not useful. So the creator of this tool uploaded it on their website. And as you can see, the interface is super simple. So when you open it, you might get this warning, accessibility required. If you need to read through all these instructions, but basically you need to give it accessibility permissions. So choose the option OK to be redirected and then make sure that you enable control for the app, so it should appear under accessibility and you need to give it permissions. Once you have given it the necessary permissions, then all it takes is a single click. Click to start cleaning mode / lock the keyboard. This will lock your keyboard completely until you press the button again. You won't be able to type anything while it's locked. So it's important that you have a mouse or you use the touchpad and you go ahead and use this button to enable or disable the feature. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you disable the MacBook Air keyboard, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel achieve higher quality solutions. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.